What's up YouTube? Welcome in another video. Today I want to show you a couple of my recent coins that I have purchased. Some Libertads, some pirate rounds from the Elemental Mint, and we're gonna also unbox this. So stay tuned. Hello guys, Silverado here. How are you guys doing? Hope you're doing fine. Today I want to show you some of the coins that I've purchased recently. We're also going to do unboxing. I've got a couple of pirate rounds to show you. Let's start from the two little coins I've bought. This is a Libertad 2009. This is a 20th of the ounce, so very tiny coin, very small coin. This is a proof version as well. So this is the first proof Libertad. I know it's small, it's tiny, but it's silver, guys. It's silver. So that's the first one. The second one I have is a little bit bigger, slightly bigger. This is the quarter of an ounce, 2016 proof as well. I really like Libertad coins, so I had to have some proof coins. This is the reason why I bought these. I'm planning to have like probably the whole set of these, going from the smallest to like 2 ounce or maybe 5 ounce. We'll see how I'm gonna get on with them in the future. So that's two new Libertads. And the next coins I want to show you, they are very nice. Look at these guys. Just look at that. So what you're seeing here is the Elemental Mint Privateer series. So the Elemental Privateer collection of coins consists 7 coins. This is the white whale, and this is the 6th in the series. And they are rounds, known as pirate rounds as well. Pirate rounds, and they are ultra high relief coins. So each of these contains 2 ounces of silver, so they are 2 ounces. You can see they are very thick. Nice and chunky coins, nice and chunky rounds rather than coins, but they are highly collectible, and they're not easy to come by, and you know, they're not easy to get. Fantastic. And you can see no pray, no pay. You can see the skull. Yeah, so they got like the 3-dimension look because of this ultra high relief. So there was this 7 in the series, and like I said, this is the 6th, the white whale. They got mintage of around between 60 and 70,000. So relatively low mintage for the rounds. So that's that one there, and I have another one. I have another one to show you there. And this is the Kraken. So the Kraken was the fourth in this series, and it's beautiful as well. It's very nice. Again, 2 ounce coin. With the same design on here on this side. No pray, no pay, but they are absolutely phenomenal. And the story about these is, like, I got them from my girlfriend for Christmas. Right, we are in the December, the festive season, the season of giving, and she's a big giver. She is, so she decided to give me them too. rounds as my sort of Christmas present, so I was very happy with them. So let's have a look on them again. Privateer series. I'm looking to get more because they are absolutely amazing. It will be lovely to have the whole series. So the first one was the original Privateer Silver Round, the Storm. The second one is the Siren. The third is the Captain. Fourth is the Kraken, which I have. Then the fifth one is the Plank. Sixth one is the White Whale, and the seventh is the Davy Jones Locker. So that's it for these ones. Let's put them on the side, because now we want to do this, guys. This box. This box is from very well-known European dealer, goldsilver.be. I'm sure a lot of European stackers are familiar with this dealer. Pretty good dealer, to be honest. So let's just open it up. Let's see what's inside, guys, shall we? So while I'm getting these coins out, I'm going to tell you a little bit about these. So this lot I bought is some antique coins from Perth Mint, and it's all started off in 2014 when Perth Mint released the 2-ounce antique Zeus coin. And that was a big hit. It started the trend of all the antique coins, and these ones are Gods of Olympus. Serious? I haven't got the whole series, and I'm gonna tell you why in a minute. So Zeus was the first of the Perth Mint God series, and since its debut they released more antique coins in 2015 and 16, and this is the Cook Islands. Perth Mint also released some antique coins for the countries like Tuvalu, and Tuvalu was the main one. So we have Cook Islands now. Let's have a look on these coins. So they released a lot of different ones, basically based on the Greek mythology. A lot of gods of Olympus and goddesses of Olympus. I think I got it now. So very nice box, actually. Very nice presentation box in here. Bit of extra padding here. Certificate of authenticity with this one. 2016. Oh, so they are 2016. I thought they are 2017. Yeah, so 2016. So here we can see the different gods. Obviously Zeus, Poseidon, Demeter, and Hera. So we can see the designer of Perth Mint, a very well-known designer for Perth Mint, Jennifer McKenna. We have maximum mintage of 1,000 of these sets, 2 ounce. Let's have a look on the coins themselves. Wow, they are very nice. So the 12 coin series, obviously this is the part 1, there'll be part 2 and part 3, and I'll tell you a story about this, guys. When I was buying this, I didn't realize they have 3 parts, right? And I don't know why. Maybe I've just assumed that when I'm going to buy the 3 boxes I'm going to get the full set. I don't know why I did that. So I've only bought the part 1. I didn't have any intention to buy all 3, but I just sort of saw them on a deal. I bought them, right? If I would have the whole set, 3 boxes, part 1, part 2 and part 3, I would be probably attached to this set, and I probably thought, you know, I'm gonna keep that. This way, at least I know I can sort of sell 2 of those and just leave that one, right? So it was a mistake, but I think it was a good mistake for me. Right, let's have a look on these coins, because they are nice and big as well. They antique finish, so we can very safely handle them without any gloves. So here we got the Zeus. You can see the detail on this coin is astonishing. The process itself, it's a very complicated process. The Perth Mint using different solutions to they dipping the coins in to achieve this, and then they're using like a brushing machine effect to achieve this. As you can see here, you can see there's like a brushed, so almost like a brushed aluminium effect. But it's yeah, it's actually quite nice. It's beautiful, isn't it? So each of these coins will have a sort of different finish, as they all individually made. You can see those lines in here. Poseidon. This is very nice as well. The level of detail on these is absolutely amazing. Yeah, and the Demeter. That's nice as well. And the effigy of the Raphael Macluth of Queen Elizabeth. Nice. So Perth Mint did this with the collaboration of the government mint and the MCM in the USA. So it would be nice to have these slabbed and graded. Maybe they would go up in the value. They're not cheap. The antique finish coins are not cheap, but they definitely worth having, guys. Would you want that in your collection? I definitely would, and I saw them and I thought, I'm gonna pull the trigger and get these sets. So obviously the remaining 2 boxes are the same, exactly the same sets as this. So the remaining years are struck to the same standard and the same format, high relief, rimless format. So here we are, the Gods of Olympus, part 1, Zeus, Hera, Poseidon and Demeter. Very nice set. super happy with that addition. Have you got any antique coins? Do you like any of them? Maybe you're not a fan of the antique silver at all. I think it's pretty cool and pretty nice, so pretty happy with that. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Smash that like button and consider subscribing to my channel to watch more videos like this with some nice coins. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. You know, it's like I said earlier, it's a festive season, it's a celebration season, so I hope you're gonna have some great time and great Christmas with your families. Enjoy this time with your closest ones. And again, I wish you all the best. Take care. See you later. Thanks for watching.